In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet user or just starting out, knowing how to wrap text effectively can make your data presentation clearer and more professional. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp on how to manage text wrapping in Google Sheets. First things first, let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to apply text wrapping. Once you have your Google Sheet up, take a moment to locate and select the cells in which you want to wrap text. This could be a single cell, multiple cells, or even an entire column or row, depending on your needs. With your desired cells selected, let's proceed to the toolbar at the top of the sheet. Here, you're going to find the text wrapping icon, which might take a minute to locate if you're not familiar with it. Typically, it resembles a curved arrow or a series of lines with an arrow. So keep an eye out for something like that. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the icon, you'll see a few options pop up: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to select Wrap. This choice will ensure that any text within your selected cells that exceeds the width of the cell will move onto a new line, keeping all your information visible without spilling into adjacent cells. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu bar, there's another simple way to achieve text wrapping. Click on the Format menu located in the top bar. Once you hover over this menu, navigate your cursor down to Wrapping. Here, you'll again see the options: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Again, select Wrap to achieve the same result. Whichever method you choose, you'll notice that the text within your selected cells now fits neatly inside each cell without being cut off or extending beyond the cell boundary. This makes your spreadsheet much easier to read and more aesthetically pleasing. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to wrap text in Google Sheets. This skill is incredibly useful when dealing with large amounts of data or lengthy text entries, ensuring everything stays organized and easy to interpret. Remember, practicing these steps will make you more comfortable and efficient in your everyday spreadsheet tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data managing!